Prime Minister Narendra Modi today launched an all-out attack on Aam Aadmi Party, criticizing Arvind Kejriwal for levelling disgusting allegations that Haryana is poisoning Yamuna River. He said the Aam Aadmi Party was doing this because it feared a loss in Delhi and that it was an insult not just to the people of Haryana but also to the people of the country, where there's a lot of goodwill attached to the act of providing drinking water to others. In fact, Haryana Chief Minister Nayaab Singh Saini on Wednesday also took a symbolic sip of the Yamuna water in Delhi's Palia village in a sharp response to the allegations levelled by Aam Aadmi Party, while the Election Commission of India has also asked Arvind Kejriwal to provide proof for his allegations. This even as Aam Aadmi Party has doubled down on its claims that the industrial units in Haryana are responsible for discharging untreated effluents into the Yamuna River, calling it a criminal act. Now, this brings us to the question that we are asking. But first, let's take a look at this report which tells you what really happened today.
पिछले 11 साल से ये प्रधानमंत्री भी वही पानी पीता है.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi is wading into the Yamuna water war, which gets murkier as February 5th draws near.
दिल्ली के एक पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री ने हरियाणा के लोगों पर घिनौने आरोप लगा दिए. यमुना मैया की.
Addressing an election rally in Delhi's Gonda, Prime Minister Modi slammed AAP chief Arvind Kejriwal's toxic Yamuna water charge.
हरियाणा के लोग दिल्ली से अलग है क्या? क्या हरियाणा के लोग अपने ही बच्चों के पानी में जहर मिला सकते हैं क्या?
Narendra Modi stepped up the counter-attack, pointing to Kejriwal's failed promise to clean the Yamuna.
इन लोगों ने 3 चुनाव में यमुना जी की सफाई के नाम पर वोट मांगे. बेशर्मी है, बेईमानी है, बदनीयती है. ये दिल्ली वालों को पानी के लिए तरसाना चाहते हैं.
And a war of words continued on social media between the chief ministers of Delhi and Haryana. After Nayaab Singh Saini threatened a defamation suit, Delhi Chief Minister Atishi suggested to test Yamuna waters at Palla village, the point where it enters Delhi, for ammonia levels before the media. Haryana Chief Minister responded saying she was welcome on the banks of Yamuna in Palla village. He further added that there is no poison in the water coming to Delhi from Haryana, but Aam Aadmi Party's minds are definitely filled with poison.
अपनी राजनीतिक स्वार्थ सिद्धि के लिए जो केजरीवाल ने दिया है वो दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है. मैं आज पवित्र यमुना माता के चरणों में यहाँ पर आया हूँ. आप देख भी रहे हैं, मैंने यहाँ पर पानी का, मां यमुना के उस पानी का आचमन भी किया है. एचओ जो वाटर रिसोर्स अथॉरिटी है, कल यहाँ के सैंपल लिए हैं. जो पानी के सैंपल थे उसमें कहीं कोई जहर की मात्रा नहीं है.
ये बेहद दुखद है कि पानी जैसे सेंसिटिव मामले पर प्रधानमंत्री मोदी खुद राजनीति कर रहे हैं. ये हरियाणा सरकार, ये भाजपा सरकार इतनी विंडिक्टिव है कि अपनी ऐतिहासिक हार देखकर दिल्ली में वो अब इन हरकतों पे उतारू है कि दिल्ली के लोग अगर बीमार हो जाएंगे तो ब्लेम स्क्वेयरली अरविंद केजरीवाल जी पर फॉल करेगा.
Meanwhile, Haryana government has filed a case against the former chief minister for spreading panic amongst citizens.
The Congress too dived into the water wars. It promised to clean the Yamuna to the point that not only Kejriwal but also Chhat devotees can take a holy dip in it. Leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi tore into Kejriwal for making false promises.
यमुना में मैं स्नान करूंगा और यमुना जी का पानी पीऊंगा. 5 साल हो गए, आज तक केजरीवाल जी ने यमुना का पानी नहीं पिया है. करोड़ों रुपए के मकान में रहते हैं, साफ सुथरा पानी पीते हैं और आपको झूठे बयान करते हैं।
Delhi's election campaign has turned as toxic as the foam that floats on the Yamuna River. Arvind Kejriwal's stunning claims have been met with vehement retorts from the BJP brass. Dramatic developments have happened, and now the question remains that after this, on which way will the political tide turn on February 8th in the capital city? Now with camera person Prem Singh, this is Ishka Verma for NDTV.